Mendekithia mamitaratara ya kuhingura ceceni cia githomo maria makuneana wa muira kiumia giukite kiinekirire no makwarira mitaratara ya gucokereria kwa mathomo no wona murimu wongerera maruru maundu no magaruruke uu ni kwira aciari maikarage meharirie amu cukuru no ihingurwo na ihingwo ihinda riothe.
And we as stakeholders have come to a consensus that indeed it is time to relook, because the doctor has told you the curve is flattening. We have decided to reactivate the smaller stakeholders group between now and Saturday to work on the finer details of proposals that shall be interrogated.
Wiguano-ini wa maabitha matiganite ruhonge-ini rwa githomo kiumano-ini kihamwe kiria gikoretwo gigithii na mbere, Minister wa githomo George Magoha ni atianirie mbukirira iria ikoretwo ikierekerio kuri Ministry ya githomo iguru rigie kwigucia hari kuheana mwerekera oro hamwe na kihingica kiria gitigitwo na aciari aria makoretwo na ciana micii kwa ihinda ritanyihiire mieri 5.
Decisions regarding the reopening of learning institutions may change as informed by reports obtained from the Ministry of Health, hereby represented by Dr. Mbajo, prevailing circumstances and increased knowledge of COVID.
Ithabu ria kuiga arutwo mita imwe na nuthu kuma murutwo umwe nginyagia uria ungi rituikite murigo munene matu-ini maya, kuona cukuru imwe itiri irakinyaniria mehariria ma gwitikiria arutwo. No niguo kuhuthia murigo uyu, thirikari itanyite gukana mutaratara wa kuhe arutwo aria matehotete na hinyiririe ni mirimu ingi mask kumeherani na ugwati wa murimu.
I have said in the past that social distancing in our public schools is going to remain a challenge. I've also said that there are certain things we are doing about getting masks at the very worst for the vulnerable and the less fortunate children. All those processes are ongoing.
Matua maya maramurikwo keri thutha wa riboti kuonania maruru ma murimu ni maraikuruka. Ithabu riria mararwara rikionekana gukorwo riri thi na gicunji gia 5% ciumia-ini igiri thiru.
And this is a good thing for us because it suggests then that we can begin to consider how much restrictions are lifted in different sectors.
Ihinda-ini riu Magoha ni aheanite utheri wigie marihi ma arimu aria mandikitwo ni bodi, akiuga mbeca ciao ni irekereirio no iracererwo gukinyira arimu ni undu wa mitaratara ya thirikari.
And like I said, you pretend as if you don't know what cash flow in government looks like. But BOM teachers should actually now have been paid the bona fide ones. And I have said that many times. The cabinet and the government approved their payment over 6 weeks ago.
Arimu a bodi makoretwo matakwamukira marihi mao kuma mweri wa gatatu mwaka uyu. Mushara wa ciringi 10,000 iria matanyite kuheo o mundu ibatie kumanyitirira wa muira cukuru ihingurwo. Aciari maguthi na mbere na kugea na wetereri hihi nginyagia rianira riokite ria president iguru rigie mwerekera wa gucokereria cukuru riri anyiti itemi matanyitwo kugea na gikaro kia muthia Jumamothi ino. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Julius Karithi wa Munene.